Where are you from?
Kentucky.
Kentucky. And what's your name?
Nikki.
Nikki. And what we gonna do today here?
Dive.
What?
I just did skydive.
Skydive. All right. Are you ready for skydive? Did you do this before?
No.
First time? Are you nervous or no?
No. Not at all.
All right. You ready?
Sure.
Give me 5. Give a 5 for your video guy.
Thank you. Yeah. Are you an 18? Hi, Nikki. Nikki, welcome back. Here we are in the runway. Time for takeoff. 14,000 feet coming up. You ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, wheels are turning. No turning back. All right, wheels are turning. No turning back.
I'm scared. No.
Let's do it. Nikki, welcome back. Slowly but surely coming up on halfway. How we feeling?
I feel good.
Yeah, we ready to go the rest of the way?
Sure.
All right, so a few more minutes, 14,000 feet. We'll see you on the outside. Have fun, enjoy your ride.
All right. Nikki, now the halfway. 7,000 feet halfway up and halfway to the right.
God. Yeah.
Sure.
I'm sure.
Let's do it.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi.
Welcome back. How are we doing?
I'm great.
Yeah? How was your skydive?
It was not as bad as I thought it was gonna
Yeah.
be.
What really stuck out to you? Do you have a favorite part?
Actually, I like the fall. The free fall was kind of fun.
Would you do it again?
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Well, thanks for
For
joining
sure.
us here at
Thank
Chattanooga
you.
Skydive.
Thank
Come to
you.
hope. See you next time.